Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the weekly review of stock markets on Insta TV. The US stock indices closed with big gains last week, with the S&P 500 posting the highest weekly growth this year. The market got an impulse from stronger than expected housing data and quarterly financial reports from Procter & Gamble and Microsoft. Investors did not pay much attention to the first Ebola case in New York that weighed on the US stock futures. The S&P 500 closed Friday's session up by 13.76 points at 1,964.58. The benchmark index advanced by 4.1% over the week, having showed its largest weekly percent jump since January of 2013. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 127.51 points to settle at the level of 16,805.41. The blue chip index increased by 2.6% for the week. The Nasdaq Composite rose by 30.92 points to 4,483.72, with a weekly gain of 5.3%. New home sales in the U.S. climbed slightly in September to 467,000, but still it was a six-year high, which topped anticipations. The Federal Reserve is scheduled to hold a policy meeting this week. The central bank is expected to end its bond buying program, which had been applied to back up the U.S. economy after the 2008 financial crisis. Microsoft was the Dow's biggest gainer on Friday. The quotes went up by 2.5% after the tech giant reported that quarterly profit and revenue beat forecasts. At the same time, Procter & Gamble shares appreciated 2.3%, notching another great achievement among Dow components. The consumer goods producer said it is going to get out of its Duracell battery business and posted a report on quarterly earnings that were in line with market expectations. Meanwhile, Amazon.com shares dropped 8.3% after the online retailer unveiled a wider than expected third-quarter loss late Thursday. The company showed the worst daily fall in the S&P 500 index on Friday. Amazon lost $427 million or 95 cents per share in the third quarter, compared with a loss of $41 million or 9 cents per share a year ago. Sales jumped to $20.58 billion from $17.09 billion before. Markets had predicted the company to receive $20.8 billion in sales through July to September and a loss of 74 cents per share. And this was the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by our Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.